of how to take part this weekend. Good luck.
Play it, replay it. Play it.
It's a track garden.
Right.
My garden birds, ready?
Right.
That's a bullfinch. And these are all different types of tit. There's help on the RSPB website to sort them all out, along with details of how to take part this weekend. Good luck. Happy get it, BBC Look North, Olive Carl.
Play it back, play it.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Play it back. No, play it back.
Okay.
She's waiting for it. Play.
Right, so I have to watch.
And while the house barriers remains at number 1,
Roxy,
over the
what's
past
that?
6 years, it has declined 63%. So it's interesting to see those trends and work out how.
Roxy, what's this here? What's that?
It is
Pod.
to sort them all out, along with details of how to take part this weekend. Good luck.
Roxy. Roxy. Mom.
We've done it, haven't we? Now that's enough.
Roxy.
It is amazing.
Nee. Roxy, what's
And
this?
these are all different types of
Yeah, I you
tit.
got Aaron first.
There's help on the RSPB website to sort them all
Let's have a
out,
look.
along with details of
Let's have a look.